Hey, you know this as a man, nearly everything in life requires maintenance, right? You know, our car, our truck, our motorcycle, the house, our bodies, our yard. You get the point. Well, in this video, I've come up with a creative way to keep maintenance under control in many critical life domains of your life. That's coming up today on My Virtual Mentor. Hey, my friend, my name is David Robertson, and I lead men to go further, faster in their faith in Jesus Christ. Every week I share a new cool tool to add to your discipleship toolbox to help develop yourself, mentor a friend, or build your team. And if any of that sounds of interest to you, I'd love so much if you hit that subscribe button. And as a way of saying thanks, I'd love to give you my free ebook. It's called 6 Challenges Every Christian Man Must Conquer, Leveling Up to a New and Improved You. I'll put the link in the description below. Okay, so we get it. Things need maintenance. Lots of things need maintenance. But there's so many spinning plates, low bandwidth, low margin, lots going on. How do you keep up with it all? I know there are apps and things, but I've got a way for you to do it. I call it the 21-month challenge. It's a free ebook. Everything's all together in one place. And let me show you what's going on there. Let's go to my website. Okay, welcome to myvirtualmentor.org. We're on the challenge series page. And the 21-month challenge is part of a series. And you see it right here in this little table I prepared. The 21-second challenge, 21-minute, hour, day, week. I've got an explanation for those. You can download those easily right here. I know this is crazy, but we have come to the 21-month challenge. I got videos on all of these that you can watch on this YouTube channel. But right here, we're on the 21-month challenge for maintenance. All you need to do is just click this button right here, put your first name and your email address, and it'll come down to your device immediately, and you can check it out. So let's go to the book right now, and I'll show you what's going on. Okay, this is the 21-month challenge ebook. There's a screenshot of my actual iPhone right there on the cover. But the 21-month challenge is simply it's maintenance. It's how you can do maintenance in 13 critical areas of your life. You see, the 21-month challenge covers a quarter. There's 4 quarters in the year. There's 13 weeks to each quarter. And so what I'm advocating here in this free ebook is a plan that takes one category per week. Let me show you these categories here, and you work through them cyclically in a month. Okay, so let's review those real quick. The first one would be goals, right? And there's something you need to stop doing, there's something you need to start doing. We kind of focus on that. And once per quarter, you'll kind of look at your goals, very simple goals. And then your spiritual life is another category. We have checklists for that as well. Your marriage, your immediate family, your extended family, legacy relationships. These are people who, this is part of your inner circle, your accountability partners, buddies in your small group at church, things like that. Relationships that you do not want to lose touch with. Health and wellness, ministry, automotive, home, you see them here. Finances, your technology, your computer, your tablet, your smartphone, and then finally rest and recharging. Boy, this is something we really don't give a lot of attention to, but I have worksheets and checklists for all of these right here in this ebook. And so all you need to do is print this out, and everything you need is right there. And you can just print these out for every week for the quarter, and you are good to go. So that's the 21-month challenge. It's all about maintenance for busy men like you. I'm trying to make it simple, and I've done a lot of homework. I put it in this short ebook. I've created a planner for you to kind of keep on top of the maintenance in those 13 critical life domains. And to get what you've never got, you may need to do what you've never done. And so this is one way that you can do that. So I got a question for you. Are you up for a challenge? Here's this week's challenge, all right? Download the 21-month challenge ebook. It's free. You can have it like right now, and just look over it. Read the introduction, kind of look over the categories and see if this won't work for you to maybe help you not let some things fall through the cracks, okay? And just be that guy that's on top of things, that's attentive to the areas of life that seem to get pushed to the sides because we just don't think about it because we're so busy all the time, okay? So listen, I'd love to hear what you think about, about maintenance. How is this, how you work in maintenance in your life? How are you staying ahead of the curve and on top of things so that everything's running smooth, including relationships and some of these other categories that we talked about? Go ahead and leave that comment in the description. Well, I do read every comment that you write. And so that's it for this week. So for now, I'm David, your virtual mentor, reminding you that we can go further, faster in our faith when we lean into the Lord Jesus Christ. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.